Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm CryptoKip, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on what I'm currently doing with crypto.com with my Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum, you name it, all of it. I'm telling you exactly what I intend to do here, which is absolutely nothing. I'm going to sit strong, guys. I'm going to hold tight because I feel good about the future of crypto, and I'm going to show you exactly why I'm so optimistic for the huge gain potential that we have coming up. Guys, the best is yet to come. It's coming very, very soon for crypto. Soon is relative. Cryptocurrency is a long-term investment. Now, you take profits on the way up, but guys, we've been in a bear market. We're still in this bear market. There's some stories I'm going to share with you today. A couple things I want to point out to help frame, to make you understand where we're at right now and what is coming next. It's pretty exciting stuff, guys. And yeah, it's a red day, I know. But hey, we're here for the long term. I got to show you something. So before we get into the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 4 videos every day for you. And when we hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So you do not want to miss out on that. And right now, guys, we are currently at 4.52 thousand subscribers. So guys, get in there if you haven't done so already. Let's look at these charts. Let's see where the market's currently sitting, guys. A $787 billion market cap right now and falling. Bitcoin is currently at $15,801. Ethereum is at $1,100. It's down 10% over the last 7 days. Folks, crypto's in a little rut right now. But folks, we've also been in a bear market for a whole year. It's been falling for a long time, and we know that there is a 4 to 4.5 year cycle that happens for Bitcoin and crypto, where we have a bull market, bear market cycle, and we're in the bear part of that market. And until the next halving event, we shouldn't expect anything. We should expect downward, sideways, upward, left, right, down, just steady Eddie action, and an opportunity to accumulate. Because we know that there will be another bull market, and if we accumulate now, we will have generational wealth if we accumulate this dip. Looking at Cronos right now, Cronos is currently to 6.5 cents. Now, I put out a couple polls on YouTube into the community asking about price action. I think we're all kind of all over the place right now. But the matter of fact is this, guys. Is this a project that's going to stick around? Absolutely. Cronos is spectacular. The DeFi ecosystem is phenomenal. The centralized app is spectacular. Their customer support is actually great. I know a lot of people complain about it at times, but when you look at the amount of support that crypto.com gives you next to some of these other exchanges, it is better than the rest. Just because you don't get the answers you want to hear doesn't mean the support's not great. If you haven't used the crypto.com support on the main app, I highly suggest you test it out. It's a good thing to know the product. I personally love it. I think there's a lot of great products that they have, and the best part about crypto.com is that they don't do business like FTX, and so there will never be an FTX-like collapse for crypto.com. That's my belief. This is not financial advice, but that's what I do believe is going to happen, and that's why I like to buy Cronos coins quite a bit along Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto in general. So let's look at some of these stories for the day. First of all, I want to show you this. What if you're trying to research crypto? What's the sentiment of the market right now? Well, when you look and you Google Bitcoin, you're going to see this. Here's the news. Coinbase shares tumble. Negative, as Bitcoin slide continues. And it's true, a lot of negative news. Look at all this negative news. More than 50% of the Bitcoin addresses are now in loss. Crypto analysts who predicted Bitcoin collapse now says it's going to drop to lower levels. Crypto market analysis, Bitcoin and Ether approaching oversold levels. Now, that one's bullish. That's CoinDesk. And this is a great point. Most of these stories, guys, are negative. Look at the Ethereum stories right now. Nervous hands. You can see this. Inside Gary Gensler's SEC campaign to rein in the crypto industry. FTX customers worry they will never see their money again. This is interesting that they say this again because, guys, we kind of know this at this point. We know what Sam Bankman-Fried's been up to. And by the way, the fact that he's not in prison right now is out of control. Smash a like button. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on SBF right now. Do you think they're going to get him, folks? I'm curious. I mean, they should. He should go to jail. But we're going to have to see how that one plays out. But what I'm pointing out, guys, is there's not a lot of bullish narratives going on right now in crypto. FTX blow up helped enrich Ethereum validators who run the blockchain. that sounds bad, but that's actually good and that makes sense. When you think about that, the FTX blow up because caused panic, caused transactions, a lot of use on the blockchain, and so the validators had to approve a lot of transactions, and so they made out like bandits. They made more money. That makes sense. When there's activity in the market, they're going to make more money. Ethereum plunges 7%. So that's what I'm saying, guys. This is what the media is doing. When you see things like this, you have got to get yourself ready to buy the dip. Here's another one. Ethereum whale worth 720,000 ETH wakes up to make these manipulations. So now they're scaring folks off with whales. So this is really crazy, guys. But the story is, guys, is the hacker in question for FTX. So FTX was hacked the other day, and they stole a bunch of Ethereum. And allegedly, an employee of this exchange hacked a lot of Ethereum. And they actually are just today traded 15,000 ETH for Bitcoin. So they're dumping ETH for Bitcoin. And guys, they still have 185,000 ETH left. So, this sounds bearish again. And look, we're in a bear market, so it doesn't really matter. And I can't predict the future, but I can predict what I'm going to do tomorrow. And what I'm going to do tomorrow, next week, next month, next year is I'm going to be buying crypto because I know that it's undervalued right now. And I know that there's still going to be manipulations. It could go down. The matter of the fact, though, guys, is this. When you look at where we are in this market cycle right now, this is the Bitcoin rainbow chart. If you guys haven't seen it, I highly suggest you check it out. But you can see the blue color is basically in a fire sale, is what that means. This is the Bitcoin price. This greenish one, more green one, is buy, accumulate, still cheap hodl. You can see maximum bubble territory. We are in the opposite part of a bubble. We're in max fear, and that's exactly what you see with these news stories. And I think that this is what's driving our prices down. I think that's why we see Cronos down right now. The FIFA World Cup is here. We're wondering, well, hey, why isn't Cronos going up? Well, guys, we can't overpower a bear market. It doesn't make sense for Cronos to go up right now if we're in the midst of a middle of a bear market. But the good news is that we're right around the corner, folks, from being out of this bear market. And once we bottom, if you're buying that entire time, you get to make a lot of money very fast, because then you get to ride this wave back up. If you've been riding this down, let's say you bought in at the top, which happens, everyone buys in at the top at some point, right? I bought throughout the entire 2017 bull market, and in this bear market, I've been doing, I bought through all this, right? So I stopped buying actually in 2017, I bought all through this bull market, and I'm still buying through this entire. I bought, when I first got into crypto, I was buying right around here, 2015, 2016. I rode this whole bull market up, and then I stopped and I rode it down, and I took a little bit of profit. I wish I had taken more, and I started buying again, not until 2019. So made out pretty darn well in the last year, and I've been in these cycles since 2015. Guys, this is the bottom, or it's coming close to the bottom. We are months away, possibly days away from a bottom, and if you guys are dollar cost averaging, you get to ride this thing back up to the top. And we know that Cronos is valuable. We know that this project is going to be around for the long term. In the meantime, I'm dollar cost averaging. I'm looking at the Loaded Lion NFTs too. I think they're pretty cool. I think this week I'm going to buy a Loaded Lion NFT. Let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. I'm accumulating during this bear market, guys, because at the end of the day, this whale waking up doesn't mean anything. If this whale decides to get rid of their Ethereum over time, someone's going to buy it up. Ethereum's here to stay. These stories, this FUD, this is not going to move me from what I know I'm going to do. I can't predict the future. I can't predict the future price of any project. I can come up with some theories, and that's what we do here at the Crypto Report. Like, for example, I like to compare Cronos to Binance. I think it's half as valuable. It's got half the amount of users. And when you look at what its market cap is right now, it's $1.6 billion market cap versus Binance's $40 billion market cap. I think you could easily have a $20 billion market cap for Cronos, because I believe it's half as valuable as Binance. The ecosystem's good. I think it's going to continue to grow. Their marketing's better. And guys, that's over a 10x. That's like a 25, 35x from here. So these are the things you can look at, but you can't predict the future price. You can just kind of predict, hey, it's valuable in the future. And if you believe that, then we're dollar cost averaging. We're holding strong with no panic. Smash up the like button, Crow fam. That's all I got for you in today's video. Guys, stay calm and DCA on. That's the advice I have for you today. This is not financial advice, but that's what I'm doing. That's what we're going to do here at the Crypto Report. That's all I got, guys. If you didn't do so already, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.